Experiencing Bluetooth connectivity issues between your iPhone and Tesla Model X is a common frustration, especially after Tesla software updates or iOS upgrades. Connectivity problems often stem from software conflicts, outdated firmware, or iPhone privacy settings. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps, including Bluetooth, profile, and network resets, to get your devices working seamlessly again. The connection between your iPhone and Tesla Model X relies on Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, for efficient pairing, audio streaming, and data exchange. BLE uses less power than traditional Bluetooth, making it ideal for wireless communication in vehicles. The pairing process begins when your iPhone scans for the Tesla Model X's Bluetooth module, which is typically located in the vehicle's underdash area and labeled as Tesla Model X in your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Once detected, the devices exchange security keys to establish a secure connection, ensuring that only authorized devices can pair and preventing unauthorized access. Finally, the connection establishes specific profiles: the hands-free profile, or HFP, for hands-free calling, and the advanced audio distribution profile, or A2DP, for high-quality audio streaming. Several factors can cause pairing failures, including interference from nearby devices, outdated firmware on either the iPhone or Tesla, or iOS restrictions that limit background Bluetooth activity for privacy. Tesla Model X doesn't support Apple's CarPlay, relying instead on its native interface. This can lead to codec mismatches, such as AAC versus SBC audio formats, which may affect audio quality or connection stability. Start with a simple Bluetooth reset on your iPhone. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth, select your Tesla Model X, and tap Forget this device. Then, repair the devices by putting both in pairing mode and selecting the Tesla from your iPhone's Bluetooth list. On your Tesla, navigate to Controls, Service, Developer Mode if available, and reset Bluetooth profiles. This clears any corrupted pairing data that may be causing the issue. This initial step resolves many basic connectivity problems. If a Bluetooth reset doesn't work, try a profile reset. In your Tesla's settings, go to Phone, Paired Phones, delete your iPhone's profile, and then re-add it, ensuring both devices are in pairing mode. This refreshes the connection and removes any old, potentially conflicting data. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on both your iPhone and Tesla. For more persistent Bluetooth issues between your iPhone and Tesla Model X, a full network reset provides a deeper clean. This process clears cached connections that can cause IP-related glitches in Wi-Fi tethering or cellular hotspots, which sometimes interfere with Bluetooth pairing. Navigate to the network settings by going to Controls, then Safety and Security, and finally Network. This menu is where you'll perform the reset. The network reset clears all cached network data, which can resolve issues like connectivity drops during tethering or hotspot use that affect Bluetooth stability. Important reminder: after the reset, you'll need to re-enter any saved Wi-Fi passwords, as this information is also cleared for security reasons. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve iPhone connectivity issues with your Tesla Model X, consider emerging technologies that are changing how vehicles handle connectivity. The rise of 5G-enabled Tesla vehicles is reducing dependence on Bluetooth for bandwidth-intensive tasks. Instead of relying on Bluetooth for navigation updates or media streaming, these vehicles use cellular connections, which are more stable and faster. Looking ahead to 2026, Tesla plans to release an AI-driven diagnostics app that will proactively scan for compatibility issues between your iPhone and Model X. The app will automatically suggest fixes, potentially eliminating the need for manual troubleshooting. For fleet operators and businesses, Tesla's API enables remote management of vehicle connectivity. This allows administrators to perform profile resets across multiple Model X vehicles simultaneously, improving efficiency and reducing downtime. Tesla may adopt more open standards, such as Android Auto alternatives, to improve compatibility with iOS devices. This would create a more unified ecosystem, reducing the walled garden conflicts that currently cause Bluetooth issues. These advancements promise to make iPhone-Tesla connectivity more reliable in the future, though current issues persist. Real-world examples demonstrate how common Bluetooth issues between iPhones and Tesla Model X vehicles can be resolved. In August 2025, Tesla's V12.5 software update caused widespread disconnections. One Reddit user, u/TeslaDriver2025, successfully fixed the problem by performing a network reset on their Model X and updating to iOS 18.3 beta. Even Elon Musk experienced this issue personally with his Model X. He tweeted about the problem and recommended the simple forget and repair method, which helped many users quickly restore their connections. Experts emphasize preventative maintenance as the best approach. Regularly updating both Tesla's vehicle software and your iPhone's iOS prevents most connectivity problems from occurring in the first place. From a cybersecurity perspective, Kaspersky Labs' 2025 white paper highlights that performing Bluetooth resets can significantly reduce hacking risks in electric vehicles by up to 30%, protecting your car's systems from potential vulnerabilities. If you've tried all the troubleshooting methods and still experience issues, don't hesitate to contact Tesla support. Their technical team can provide advanced diagnostics and may offer hardware-related solutions for persistent problems. By applying these real-world examples and following expert recommendations, you can maintain reliable and secure Bluetooth connectivity between your iPhone and Tesla Model X, ensuring a smooth driving experience.